Hi there, welcome to Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Audi S5 Sportback finished in brilliant black solid paint. This car comes with the high gloss package and the LED interior lighting package. As we move towards the car, the headlights are the LED headlights with the dynamic rear indicators. And as we go down towards the wheels, these are the 19-inch alloy wheels in the 5 twin-spoke Cavo design. You can also see that the brake caliper on this car is red with the S model logo on it. On the front wing of the car you have your S5 badging, and as you go onto the seats, these are the heated front sport seats finished in red Alcantara leather with the 4-way electric lumbar support, and they also have the S embossment on them. Onto the dashboard of the car you have the Audi virtual cockpit, and you can navigate your way through this to change your display screen. You also have the screen where you can use your MMI infotainment system, MMI Navigation Plus, radio, and the Audi Connect infotainment. This car comes with the deluxe 3-zone electronic climate control, cruise control, Audi Parking System Plus, Bluetooth interface, Audi Drive Select, Audi Pre-Sensity, and the Audi sound system. As we move towards the back of the car, you can see the rear windows are fitted in the privacy glass, and as we go into the boot, you have 480 litres of space in this boot. This car also comes with the touch button where you can automatically close your boot. And into the back, the seats are fitted in the same red Alcantara leather, and you have all of your Isofix child seat mounting points in the car. So for more information on this car, please give us a call on 01772 730000. Thank you for watching.